And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC26 meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Here's a look at our weather headlines for tomorrow and then through the rest of the weekend into early next week. Breezy and mild for your Sunday. Rain will arrive though Sunday night and will continue through much of Monday. Rainy and windy on your Monday, and that morning commute could be pretty interesting with some steady, heavier rain falling heading back to work and school after the Thanksgiving holiday weekend. Here's a look at current conditions in the valley. 41 degrees right now. Sunset was at 4:16 p.m. As far as current conditions go in Green Bay, 41 right now. Winds are calm, and with a little bit of clearing taking place and the clouds breaking up, with the calm winds and any kind of clearing, we should see fog develop later tonight, so that could be a little bit of an issue starting off your Sunday morning for tomorrow. Here's a look at Storm Shield radar. All quiet. We were dry today and we'll stay dry tomorrow, but that rain will start to push on in later Sunday night and then continue through the day on Monday, but should wrap up fairly early on Tuesday. Most of Tuesday and Wednesday looking dry before a wintry mix in the forecast Thursday and Friday later next week. Temperatures right now, we're sitting at 36 up in Menominee, 38 in Shawano, it's 41 in Appleton, 41 in Oshkosh, 42 degrees right now in Manitowoc and Kewaunee. It's 38 up in Sturgeon Bay. Wind speeds are starting to diminish, but still some breezes, especially along the lakeshore. 12 miles per hour sustained out of the south in Kewaunee and Sheboygan. That's dropping wind chills down into the lower 30s there for Sturgeon Bay as well as Sheboygan. But with the winds going calm tonight, wind chills won't be as big of a concern, but it will be a little bit chillier tonight. Lows will drop down into the 20s and lower 30s across the area. High pressure over the area keeping us dry, but we're watching a system off to the west. We're keeping a close eye on it, impacting the west coast, but this will eventually work its way over the Rockies and towards us for tomorrow night on into early into this upcoming work week. Here's a look at the forecast for tomorrow, your travel cast. Here in northeast Wisconsin, we'll have some morning fog, but otherwise quiet weather. Mild and breezy through the day. It stays dry. We'll get up to 48 degrees for a high. Nationally, most of the country looking quiet except the Midwest, and then also parts of the West Coast will still be dealing with some rain. San Francisco and Seattle, especially Seattle, could see some lingering rain into tomorrow. Midwest is where the big weather maker will be for tomorrow across the country, and that's where you could see some delays as well as some slower travel if you're heading west tomorrow. By later on in the afternoon, a swath of rain is going to develop from the Dakotas through Minnesota, Iowa, and then into Illinois and Missouri. Even a bit of a wintry mix for parts of the Dakotas for tomorrow. So that could definitely impact heading home from the holiday weekend, or if loved ones are traveling, whichever. So here's a look at Skycast at how everything kind of plays out through the rest of the weekend. Again, fog develops over Wisconsin for later tonight into tomorrow morning. That could slow you down as well, but then we should see that lift. Winds will start to really pick up tomorrow. We'll get up to close to 50, and it stays mild into early next week as well. Notice the rain developing later on in the afternoon. This eventually works into northeast Wisconsin overnight, and then we'll continue into your Monday as well, and we'll continue with periods of rain through the day on Monday and then even on into Monday night. Hunter's forecast for tomorrow, the last day of the gun deer season. May have to watch that fog in the morning, but conditions look pretty good in the afternoon apart from some breezy southeast winds. Very mild out there for tomorrow. Tonight down to 29, partly cloudy with areas of fog. Tomorrow up to 48, mostly cloudy, breezy, and mild. We'll have that fog in the morning. Your extended forecast Monday looking pretty rainy, windy, but very mild. Highs right around 50 both Monday and Tuesday, but a general cooling trend for the rest of the week, and then by Thursday and Friday we have that chance of a little bit of a wintry mix.
All right, sounds good, Matt. Thank you.